If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs getting weaker, your balance getting worse, or climbing stairs feeling harder, one hidden cause could be the fruits you eat every day. I'm a doctor working with older adults, and I've seen many seniors lose leg strength faster because of fruits that spike blood sugar and increase inflammation. First, bananas. They seem healthy, but very ripe bananas raise blood sugar quickly, which can weaken muscles over time, especially if you already have insulin resistance. Second, canned fruits. They often contain added sugar syrup. This excess sugar increases inflammation and speeds up muscle loss in seniors. Third, fruit juices. Even 100% juice has no fiber. It floods your blood with sugar fast, damaging nerves and reducing leg stability. Fourth, dried fruits like raisins and dates. They are concentrated sugar bombs. Just a small handful can spike blood sugar and harm muscle health. Fifth, overripe mangoes. They contain very high natural sugar that weakens muscle function when eaten frequently. After 60, protecting your leg strength is not just about exercise. It's also about avoiding foods that silently weaken your muscles.